This is the home view of our app. Here you can go to the hamburger menu. This is the hamburger menu. Now let's try each of these links. First, let's try latest. Latest page. This contains news and stories related to Westminster Fashion Week. Now let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go to the lineup page. This is the lineup page. This contains the schedule of the Westminster Fashion Week. Now let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go to the catwalks page. This is the catwalk page. This page contains featured catwalk events. Now let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go to the talks page. This is the talks page. This page contains details about Q&A sessions with the designers. Let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go to the designers page. This is the designers page. This page contains a list of the designers that will be participating in Westminster Fashion Week. Now let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go to the tickets page. This is the tickets page. There are 3 types of tickets. Users can select one for their requirement. Now let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go to the shopping page. This is the shopping page. Interested parties can purchase items according to the brands. Now let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go back to the game page. This is the shopping page. Interested parties can purchase items according to the brands. Now let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go back to the game page. This is the game page. This page contains instructions of how to play the game and also the current leaderboard. Now let's go back to the hamburger menu. Now let's go to the about page. This is the about us page. This page contains the details about the members who are organizing the Westminster Fashion Week. Thank you for watching.
This is the landing page or the introduction page of the Westminster Fashion Week. The main attraction of this page is the slider. That's where we are planning to put the most important content of the website, the most important highlights. Part of the other slides are shown on the other sides of the slider to give the user a cue that this slider is scrollable, swipeable sideways. And the landing page is made very simple with less text and more images with balance in different ways. For example, this particular section is balanced with the image in the middle, and this section is balanced with images on either side, and this section same as the previous one. This is the footer of the whole app, and the important social media links and the important and other important links are given below. This is the hamburger menu. This contains all the links related to navigation, and QR scanning part is highlighted because the users will be in a hurry to scan the QR code. The QR code provides details about different products when you scan the QR code on the product. So since the users will be in a hurry to reach the QR button, it's highlighted in the hamburger menu. This is the news page, and it's designed for the iPad portrait. A highlight is shown first, and news items are shown in a grid like this. The time of the news posted will be mentioned here, and this is the add to favorites button. Once the user clicks this, this will turn into Torchwell, and this banner, which is tickets, the tickets out banner is there in all the pages except the tickets page, because the main objective is to promote the tickets. This is the lineup page, which contains the schedule, and it's designed, this particular mockup is designed for iPad, iPhone landscape, and since it's the iPhone, these events are packed inside an accordion. So if when the user clicks on a particular date, the items will expand, and the type of the item is shown in it's highlighted, and the venue is shown in a Google Maps embedded frame. This is the tickets page, and it's designed in a way that the user can see all the ticket prices at a glance, and when the user clicks on a certain ticket grade, the screen will be scrolled automatically to the particular ticket package. This is the designers page, and the designers are sorted in the alphabetical order, and the letter is shown as follows, because it gets highlighted at the first glance, and it's easy for the user to identify the sections of this list. And also there's a search bar for the designers to search, so users to search the particular designers. This is the designer profile, and the information is compact inside the collapse an accordion, because the users can focus on the titles and explore. They can click on the section that they want to see, and also there's an add to favorites button where the users can add the designer to a favorite title. This is the about us page, and it gives a description about the team members, and this mockup is designed for iPad landscape, and there's enough space to fit all the nav links, so the hamburger menu is not present in this screen. This is the favorites page, and it's designed for iPhone landscape, and they can select, the users can select which items, what kind of items they want to see, whether they are events, news, events, or a collection, or etc. And they can also remove the item from the favorite list, and they can send the item to a valid email, send all the items to valid email through this. In most of the pages, the title is in white color on top of a background picture, and the picture is darkened to a certain extent to avoid the text being hidden inside the picture. For the gamification part, when the user keeps browsing the website, items will appear at random times, and if the user touches on the certain items, or we call it catch and win. So if the user catches certain items, they will get some discounts on the particular items.